Hi, this is Dave Chenault with Skylight Systems, and this short video is going to show you how to add scanning capabilities into SideKick 365 DCM. SideKick 365 DCM is a dynamic case management system that we've developed as an add-on into SharePoint. It runs on SharePoint 2013 in the cloud in Office 365 or on premise on your servers. And the idea is that a case is sort of like a very smart folder that can have tasks and documents attached to it. It's easy to make a case just by dropping down this list here and selecting case, or also you can just go into existing case and add in files and tasks, etc. Let's look at a file or a case that has information in it right now. So let's look at 2235, and what you'll see in this instance is there are 7 documents and no tasks with this particular case file. In this case, we're using it as a loan system. By clicking on the Documents tab, I can see a list of all the documents associated with this particular loan file. Now what we want to do is add in some files that we scan into the system into 2234. And by opening that, you'll see right now that there's only one task in this particular file. So let's take a look at that right now. No documents, one task. And what we want to do is add some documents through the scanning add-on that we have. So let's go ahead and do that now. What I'll do is I'm going to go into the codec scanner that I have attached to my PC, and I just hit a single button on the scanner itself. What that'll do is it uses the built-in software that comes with the codec scanner to scan the information. And it's looking for blank pages as separators between the documents. It takes a moment to process these files, and what you'll see is that the codec software is smart enough to separate the stack of papers into 3 separate files. So let's wait for it to finish its scanning and processing, and then what you'll see is it's detected 2 blank sheets and it'll turn it into 3 files. So let's go ahead and launch our custom app now that'll then let us view these files, tag them, and save them into the appropriate loan file, which is 2234. Again, the only software needed for this is our add-in, and we're leveraging the software that comes with this codec scanner. And the same software comes with virtually all of their scanners. So I'm going to log in now to Office 365. You'll notice that I have an option here to keep signed in. I just wanted to do it to show you the process all the way through. And I supply the proper password, and I should be in just a minute. So now I'm logging in. I'll select the Keep Me Signed In this time if I want to go back. And I should now see an option to take a look at my files that I've just scanned. And what you can see is that I have different options here on where I can save it. I wanted this to go into 2234, and I'll call this first one amortization. Now what you also notice is there's a small button here called New, and this lets me create a new case on the fly if I don't have a case already created in the system. I also have a category that's stored in SharePoint, and I'll leave this one as background. I'll go to the next file. This is just a one-pager, and I'll call this one Letter. And then I'll go to my final file, and this one we'll call Checklist. And I'll go ahead now and upload these files into Office 365 and SideKick 365 DCM just by hitting the upload button. So it tells me that the 3 files loaded successfully. And what we can do now is go back into 2234, and we'll take a look and see if those files are indeed in the case file as we hope. So there's the last thing here. We'll take a quick look. Hopefully we'll see 3 documents. There they are. And I can just click here to take a look at those. And again, just a quick double click on this document. It is a PDF through the codec settings, and it's searchable PDF, which is great because it lets me then search the content if the quality of the image is good. So this content should be searchable within about 5 minutes or so. Okay, that's a quick demo of the scanning capabilities. Again, this is Dave Chenault with Skylight Systems. And if you have any questions, just email us at info@skylightsystems.com, and that's SKYLITESYSTEMS. Thanks again.